what it looks like, okay? It's a stocking, and it comes all the way up to the top. Hello and welcome back with Dr. Ageless Beauty. Thank you for joining me. As you see, I've been showing you some body stockings, lady, and I wanted to show you a full body stocking that you can wear with a skirt and different outfits that you don't have to change. It's also open for you not have to take it off. And so I'm going to show you these body stockings that I think you would truly love, okay? So thank you for being a part of Dr. Ageless Beauty, as well as subscribing, and I love the comments. Thank you. I really truly appreciate your taking the time to watch, okay? So let me go ahead and show you this particular body stocking. Now this particular body stocking I really like, okay? Now this is a versatile body stocking. Body stockings are really great to wear. Now, me personally, I really haven't worn a body stocking. I haven't worn it because I thought it was just too confusing to put on, because it looks like this little bitty stocking, and I'm going to show it to you guys. This little piece of stocking that you're wearing, and how's it getting on your body? So this is what the outfit looked like after I took it out of the package. So this body stocking really stretches, okay? The body stocking stretches very well, all right? Now, here's the deal with this particular body stocking. It is connected in the front and it's connected in the back, okay? So you see that it's connected, and so you're able to get in as though you got to go here to get into the stocking. Now, I talked about this with you all before, how the body stocking stretches to, it's like one size fits all. That's what it's going to say, one size fit all, because it stretches so that it will stretch to your body because the type of material. So it's actually a great product. Now, the thing about this is like a bodysuit, but it doesn't go between the leg because it's allowing you to go to the restroom. You know what I mean, ladies? How we go and we go out and we got to take the stocking off. You know, I really like the crotchless stocking. Well, this is a crotchless body stocking outfit that you can wear with just pants, skirt, and put your jacket on. And it looks nice, as you see how it looks on me right now, okay? Now, the thing about this in the back, you know, it looks really great in the back. You see how it does? So you're able to wear just a basic bra, which is what I have on. I just have on the basic, you know, tube top bra. And for you to purchase, you know, I'm in my shorts. So, but you can wear whatever you like under the body wear, or don't wear anything at all. So it's really, it will tighten up to whatever the body size comes to. So it will lift the breast. And I tried it. It works. So you don't have to wear anything under it if that's what you like. Some people just don't want to wear anything under it. Otherwise, you just get one of the bras. However you want to wear that bra. You can wear underwears. These are shorts. These are my board shorts. And you can wear them however you want. Now, the other thing I like about it is they're really thick here at the stocking right here. So it won't rip easily. It won't rip easily. Now, what happened when I pulled up, because my nails are long, I kind of dug too much. So you may take a risk if you have nails trying to ease them up on your legs. So really kind of be careful with that because they are sensitive, and of course I ripped my mommy. All right, so I will come back. I'm going to show you another one I think we rarely wear, and I will explain why we rarely wear and why we feel the way we do about this particular one. Okay? Alrighty. We will be back and I will show you another body stocking. Stay with me. See you soon. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back. Now, as you see, this is the one that people rarely wear. The nude type of outfit, because they feel that it's hard to find pieces to go with nude. But this is a nude one, and it is an off shoulder. Now remember I told you that the outfit this is what it looks like now. This little stringy thing. But you will get it on your body because it's going to stretch to your body. Now, remember I told you it has a hole, so if you need to go to the restroom, there it is. Now, for YouTube purposes, I'm in my shorts, and then I'm in an off shoulder bra, so that you can see what the nude look like. Now, this nude, I really like it, because if you wanted to wear white, this is a good one. Now, you don't have to. If I was wearing white, I wouldn't put on anything under the body stocking. Okay? But this is a perfect outfit to wear where you can smooth, you're looking to maybe smooth your body, you know, like anything that's back here that you want to smooth out and you want to hide any flaws. This type of nude color is perfect to wear. Again, you could wear a skirt or some pants. As you see, again, it's the whole body, and it's an off shoulder. This is a off shoulder body stocking. Okay. Now, again, remember I was telling you about here at the end of the stockings. It's a thicker stocking at the end, so you don't rip that part. Okay. Now, this body stocking, of course, can keep going up, but it gives you that gap so you can go to the bathroom. So I do like that. So I think this is an excellent one, and it's off shoulder. And so if you want to wear it in the wintertime, it is a long sleeve. Like the other one, it just went around your neck so that you can wear something low cut, you know, on your body. But this is a good new body outfit I was telling you about that most people don't wear. This is a nice body stocking. Again, if you're interested in any of the body stockings or any of the lingerie I present to you, just go to the link in the description below, and you can reach out to me if it's not there, or you can't find it. Just reach out to me in the link in the description below. So I hope that you really like this particular outfit. I think it's really sexy. Hey, I'll wear it. Okay, so thank you for joining me, guys. I hope that you like this body stocking. You know, it's really, really nice. This one is a full one, and it's a really nice body stocking. And, you know, you can hide any flaws that you think you may have. Okay? So you've been with Dr. Pamela H's Beauty. Thank you for joining me. I will be back talking about something else. A great lingerie that you didn't think about. How about that? It's okay. See you soon. Take care.